Oh, anyone would think this is a stolen laptop, mate. Like, hang on. No, she's hot, but.
There you go. The screen's broken. Oh, look, it changed colour. Oh, now you got all that on there. No, rub it out. Mr. Squiggle. He's drunk.
Gotta clean the bastard somehow. It's broken.
What?
Oh, now you fucking broke it.
No. Oh, where's that spray? Need the spray stuff. No. Why? It's still working.
Guess he's gotta go and buy a new computer tomorrow.
Is it all right? Hang on. No, because you didn't use a cotton towel. It's 100% microfiber. Look at that. No, get out. Let's try and hold it. Does it work?
Not now.
Yeah.
No, you broke it now.
No. Sunrise. It's resting. Oh, you're right.
Fucking broke it now.
Kid you not. Look. Spray. What? It's fucking working, mate. You reckon she's going to turn on? What's it doing now? How many updates does it want? Maybe it's me 10 years going like a slut. This is what's an update. Like, in my date. Stick it in your
Get
date.
up your day.
Fuck, it's needy. Come on, mate.
It's as needy as you.
I know, right? I just want to stick my dick in it and, like, fuck it up.
Like that butt plug on the front of the thing.
What? No, look. No, it has got a butt plug. Look. I don't know if it... Oh, that's a big fucking gag. No, that's a lady. You want the boy one. Look at that. That's a butt plug.
Now.
That's a... What? There's 3 lights.
There was only 2.
Area 51. I kid you not. Conspiracy.